I'll express my view in Hindi. दोस्तों, आज मैं यहाँ हूँ तो ये एफएमबी स्टूडेंट का फादर के होने के नाते हूँ। मेरे सन विशाल ने 2002-2004 के दौरान एफएमबी कोर्स किया। उस कोर्स की वजह से पूरे परिवार को प्रोफेसर परिमल मर्चेंट जैसे टीचर भी मिले, जो हमारे बच्चों को तो सिखाते हैं लेकिन हमें भी उनसे सीख मिलती रहती है। और उस परिचय की वजह से मैं आपके बीच हूँ। सबसे पहले तो मैं इतने गैदरिंग में, बड़ी गैदरिंग में मुझे बुला के अपने विचार शेयर करने का जो मौका दिया, उसके लिए एसपी जैन इंस्टीट्यूट और परिमल सर का मैं अत्यंत आभारी हूँ। कुछ चीज़ें हमारी एफएमबी की वजह से हमारी कंपनी में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ, वो मैं आपसे शेयर करूँगा। हमारी कंपनी फॉर्चुनेटली इस साल गोल्डन जुबिली ईयर में 1958 में शुरुआत हुई थी। छोटे से पैमाने पे मेरे पिताजी ने शुरू की थी और बॉम्बे गुजरात के बीच हमारा करियर चलता था, जो 40 साल तक इसी तरह से चलता रहा। 40 साल के बाद बच्चों ने हमें सजेशन किया कि आने वाला समय है जो वो एक्सप्रेस के लिए मूव होने वाला है, और हमने अपना एक्सप्रेस डिवीज़न शुरू किया, जो आज गति या सेफेक्स के बरोबरी का गिना जाता है। स्टूडेंटों ने 2002-2004 के बाद आके सीधा कहा कि डैडी, अभी वर्ल्ड इज टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉजिस्टिक, वेयर वी आर। और तुरंत हमने लॉजिस्टिक डिवीज़न स्टार्ट किया, और लॉजिस्टिक डिवीज़न की बागडोर जो है दोनों बच्चों को दी। दोनों जुड़वा बच्चे हैं, एक ने एसपी जैन इंस्टीट्यूट से एफएमबी का कोर्स किया है, दूसरे ने एनएम कॉलेज से अपना ग्रेजुएशन इन एचआर किया था। उसके बाद उसने यूएसए में जाके ग्रेजुएशन किया लॉजिस्टिक एंड सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट में। अभी एज ए फादर आई एम closely I am watching both of my son. I think I am very bluntly I can say I find my son who has done FMB course is more effective, because the NM college HR graduation logistic management, normally in India every college is good, but most of colleges create a managers, not a entrepreneurs, which only FMB course is creating. That is the basic difference between FMB and other college. Whether it is SP Jain or Velinkar or anyone, but basic difference is this, that I very closely monitoring. This was our humble beginning in 58. What transaction, I want to show what transaction due to this program and before program which took place in our company in last 10 years. Base company is transport company Vijay Transport, but now Our entire focus is on express and logistic. These are our three divisions. 10 years ago, we were in between Mumbai and Gujarat only. At present, we are representing 19 states and 2 states more are in pipeline. Recently, we start Eastern Zone. 10 years ago, we started Southern Zone. This is our strength. This is our family. 1,500 dedicated team members. This is our website. I'm happy to say that we are only transport company or express company is 100% using ERP solution, in-house ERP solution. Second, we are only company having multi-transit insurance. A moment you book goods through us, it is automatic covers insurance part, risk coverage. And third, by Dasera we are getting ISO certificate in real sense. This is the 3 changes after FME student came in our business took place in last 3 years. These are our estimate clients. We are not treating us as a transport company, but partner or solution provider to our customer. Our company has told earlier 50 years history, started by my father. In last 10 years, what took place is board of directors means owner plus professionals, metric organization means one has to report at 2 places, one to corporate managers and second to regional manager. For day-to-day function, he has to report to regional manager, and for subject related, he has to report to corporate manager. All functions are headed by professional qualified individuals. Company comprises 3 divisions which shown. Each region is managed by thorough professionals, not by us. Owners are with a blend of professional, ensure that basic our ethics and our values and religious things we are still maintaining, being a professional company. And professionals brings lots of things. My express division today is managed by one CEO, and he is only managing. We are once in a week, I am going for 4 hours to my Belapur office. Being a chairman of the company, only 6 people are reporting to me. Everyone out of 1,500 members can call me at any time, but reporting pattern is only 6 person is reporting to me. These changes we brought into our company mostly because of this FFB students. or FMB course. Now, recently, from last 3 years, we started recruiting management trainees. HR division is taking care. Individuals are assigned manager to monitor and act as a guide. And here, as a director, we also play a role of mentor to this management trainees. We are day by day upgrading our managers or executives into converting into managers. And we always focus on ethics and value. That's our story, which I want to share with you. And once again, I thank Professor Parimal and SP Jain Institute to give a chance to share my view. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I think Mr. Shah deserves another big round of applause. Thank you very much. Now we go on to another facet of the program, which is called the personal growth. As Dr. Shrikant also mentioned, this program is not just a management program, it is a holistic program, which also looks at an individual's personal growth, and for that we have something which is called the Personal Growth Lab. Two of our students here, I think from 11, FMB 11, 10 and 11, 9, okay, are going to join us. So I invite Gaurav and Alok, Gaurav Sathe and Alok Kamath to join us and explain.
Sorry, I forgot one thing. That after completion of FMB's course, each and every professors from SP Jains are available at any time to student. That is the main strength of this institute. Thank you.
Alok and Gaurav will explain to us how the lab works and what was their experience during the lab.
Good afternoon, respected mentors, respected faculty and my fellow alumni. I speak on behalf of an alumni and reflect the days of FMB. The whole FMB process is not just about learning basics of management, but it is a lot related to the personal growth as well. We're putting on these business perspectives as well as personal growth points as a part of the program. Now, as a part of this program, we have something called as a Personal Growth Lab, which is something that we should really get into. The basic process is that we get groups of people going to Lonavala. The place is not important, but we have a faculty like respected Sir Parag Chitale, who are people who are totally dedicated into these type of studies, whereby there are various instruments available, like a psychometric test, like based on the way you feel and behave. So the process, the way this PG lab is conducted, it's called the Personal Growth Lab. We go there and we go through a complete set of question answers which we just fill in. The place is important because we're away from the regular routine work. We're not allowed to carry our cell phones or anything. There we fill in these psychometric tests, etc. to find out more about our personalities. We are put into groups where we openly discuss our problems. You are allowed to choose people with whom you share a good bond. This happens somewhere halfway through the course, so that you do know a few people. there itself we found that this smaller group of about 6 people, you end up talking relevant points, very intricate details at times, because you share a bond with these people. And many a times we find that there are common problems in all these businesses. Most of our businesses are SME, small scale and medium scale, which are raring and wanting to grow into the big league. And a lot of the problems are very common. We'll get into the problems in detail. But through this exercise, we basically find out more about ourselves, more about the problems that we share, and we get into the process of talking with each other to perhaps jointly find a conclusion. So that's what the whole PG Lab is about. It's quite a nice process. And we've also got Alok in here, whom I'll just request his findings. Alok, please share your experience.
Thanks, Gaurav. First of all of you, welcome to FME family. FME 12 seems to be like a new family to the already existing FME family, and it's really good to have everyone here. About Gaurav's speech about the PG Lab, yes, we did go to a PG Lab, which was basically to know each and every individual more than what the individual is. When I say that, I mean even emotionally, because as Gaurav said, that there was Professor Chitradev who was giving us an insight about this emotional quotient that each and every individual has in us. But none of the MBA programs, none of the colleges, or none of our professors in other colleges would go up to that root detail and tell us, okay, you know, you are more towards the business ethics track, you are more towards emotionally intended, so your decisions are based upon what the person is. And as Gaurav said, that the group was divided into, say, about 10 people each. Mind you, none of the 10 people were the group that people who used to hang out with. It was always like, okay, agar aap dosto, we were made sure that none of the friends were together in one group, which helped, which made a big difference, because obviously when you're friends, you kind of have your own comfort zone, you have your own wavelength matching and everything. And when you get out of that comfort zone, and when you have a different person in front of you who is wanting to match your wavelength, and you are trying and making an effort to match his wavelength, that's what it matters. And frankly, I don't think me or Gaurav, neither of us are prepared for this, but that's what FMBA is about. You are pushed into something, and that helps you do it. I mean, today me and Gaurav are sitting here and wanting to talk to everyone out here, hopefully confidently, but this is what FMB has taught us. And about also PG Lab, it gave us a whole insight about staying together with really unknown people, wanting to understand each other's. I remember a lot of people cried in our PG Lab. We were just in groups, and there were questions and answers which were being asked and shared. And people went to really personal details. I mean, which college would you find, or which course would you find does this or helps the student to come to that level? And I think coming to that level itself is a big thing, rather than just knowing each other's business and turnovers. So FMB is really more of that, and the PG Lab helps you give your ground bases really clear. So yes, that is it.
So just one question, Gaurav and Alok. There were particular findings that you, or things that you realized about yourself in the lab?
What happens is, when you sit down in that group and reflect, there are various common findings. And one of them would be, a lot of these people are freshers just getting into the business. And we sit down as students and think, at my office nobody takes me seriously. There are issues like, what do I do in my office? Because there's no role defined. So now we'll go into these problems as well. Before that, that's where the mentor's role really comes in, which is nice to have the mentors all sitting here and being ready to take their students, so to say, through this process. Because the college is going to only give you some part of it. The final practical experience, you're going to help him and hold his hand through it. So now I'd just like Ashok Bhai to help us through these basic problems that are faced by the students. We'll just try to jointly throw a light on how to help the students or guide our future FMBIs through these problems. Like, sir, some of them find that in office, in that environment.
Just a minute, can I just? I think हम यहाँ ये जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जब इस PG लैब में हम जाते हैं तो क्या एक कॉमन सेट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स जो एक स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में आती है, उसके बारे में कुछ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, उनको वो जाके अपने मेंटर से एड्रेस करते हैं. यहाँ हमने ये इस तरह की एक सिचुएशन है जहाँ हमारे पास कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने ये PG लैब किया है, एंड हमारे पास एक बहुत एस्टीम्ड मेंटर है जो उन क्वेश्चंस को, क्योंकि उन्होंने हैंडल किया, वो उसको आंसर कर पाएंगे. हम यही कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सो गौरव एंड आलोक, दे आर गोइंग टू आस्क द क्वेश्चंस एंड वी विल आस्क सर टू इन हिज ओन वे give us answers to those. Yes, you can go ahead.
So the first this thing was, nobody takes me seriously, which is a very common thing felt by a fresher just entering business.
This is common things. It happens. Basically, generation gap is there. It happens always. It happens with me. जब 1969 आई रिमेंबर मैंने पदार्पण किया था, उस टाइम क्या हुआ था? हाँ, सेठ का लड़का है, आता है, टाइम पास करता है, कोई सीरियस नहीं लेते थे. लेकिन मैंने क्या किया, 1 by 1 पिताजी को कहा कि मुझे क्या करना है. पिताजी रिटायर हो चुके थे. मैंने एक ही काम किया कि एक से एक सब डिवीज़न का काम सीखना शुरू किया. और आज मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि किसी ने उस टाइम सीरियस नहीं लिया था. मैंने एक ही है, वॉक डाउन नहीं हुआ. अपना गोल क्या है, अपना ग्रोथ क्या है, उसकी ओर ध्यान दिया. सभी काम सीख लिए और उस पर एक्सपर्टीज प्राप्त करके अपने आप को विदिन 3 इयर्स मैंने साबित किया. और वही मैं